In this video, I'll show you how to change the Python interpreter in Visual Studio Code. To get started, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Make sure you already have Python installed and that the Python extension for Visual Studio Code is installed and enabled. Once Visual Studio Code is open the Python project or folder where you want to change the interpreter. This ensures that the interpreter setting is applied to the correct workspace. Next, look at the bottom status bar in Visual Studio Code. If a Python interpreter is already selected, you'll usually see the current Python version displayed there. Click on the Python version to open the interpreter selection menu. If you don't see a Python version in the status bar, press Ctrl-Shift-P on Windows or Command-Shift-P on Mac to open the command palette. In the command palette, type Python, select Interpreter, and click on that option when it appears. Now, Visual Studio Code will display a list of available Python interpreters installed on your system. This may include system Python installations, virtual environments, Conda environments, and project-specific environments. Carefully review the list and select the interpreter you want to use. If you're working in a virtual environment, choose the interpreter that belongs to that environment. Visual Studio Code will immediately switch the project to use the selected interpreter. After that, verify that the interpreter has been changed successfully. Look again at the bottom status bar and confirm that the correct Python version is displayed. If you're working with multiple projects, remember that each workspace can have its own interpreter setting. This allows different projects to use different Python versions or virtual environments without affecting one another. Finally, save your project settings if needed, so Visual Studio Code remembers the selected interpreter the next time you open the project. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change the Python interpreter in Visual Studio Code. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn with Igor for more tutorials.